All right, you guys. So let's look at another example. So I've got x to the ninth minus m to the ninth. Okay. All right. So if you watched my last video, you know that the first thing I got to do is I have to rewrite the problems so that I have a 3 here. And if you remember, that's just a division step. So if I take the exponent here and divide by 3, that'll give me my exponent on the interior. So that's going to be x to the third. And then again, that's the same answer. So that's going to be m to the third. Okay. So that means my A is x to the third, and my B is m to the third. Okay. Oh, let me copy these problems correctly. It's plus here. Okay. All right. So now let's remind ourselves of the formula. So a cubed plus b cubed. Well, that's going to be a plus b. And then it's going to be a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay. All right. So I know that a equals x to the third and b equals m to the third. Okay. So the first thing I do is I take those two and I add them up. So x to the third plus m to the third. Okay. All right. Then I take my a term and I square it. So just like I did here with m squared, okay, I'm going to take my a term, so x to the third, I'm going to square it. So that's going to be x to the sixth. Okay, minus, now I'm going to take these two terms and multiply them together. All right, so x to the third, m to the third. Okay, then I'm going to take b, which is m to the third, and I'm going to square it. So that's going to be plus m to the sixth. Okay, all right, now, okay, because it's again factoring completely, okay, I need to take, okay, one of these or both of them, and I may need to factor again. Okay, well, right here, x to the third plus m to the third. This is what we worked on in our first video. So now we're going to focus again on using that. Okay, it's going to be embedded possibly in this one. Okay, so now I've got x to the third, m to the third. Well, all right, in this problem, my A is x and my B is m. So I have to take that and I kind of factor it again. So that means I have x plus m, okay, and I'm ignoring this for the moment, okay, and I'm going to take x and square it, okay, then minus, multiply it, so xm plus m squared. Okay, and then I'm going to recopy this monster. X to the sixth minus x to the third, m to the third plus m to the sixth. Okay, all right, and I know that that's a bit much, okay, but that's what we're looking at. So let's type this in. Okay, sorry about that. So parentheses x plus m, then x squared minus xm plus m squared, parentheses, and then x to the sixth minus x to the third, m to the, x to the third, m to the third, plus m to the sixth. Okay, that's a lot to type in. Okay. All right, I don't need that parentheses there. All right, let me double check. So x plus m, x squared minus xm plus m squared, x to the sixth minus x to the third. Yep, all right, I'm going to submit my answer. Cross my fingers. Yep, okay, and there is our answer. Okay, all right, so I'm going to also recommend that if you need any additional help, to watch the help video. that is provided by Delta Math because there's no way I can make enough videos. You just need to try it. If you get stuck, send me a picture and I'll send you back a hint to point you in the right direction. But good luck, you guys.